Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday evening about 9:30. We are still raining. All right, a lot to get through now through really tomorrow night, a little bit of everything. So this storm system obviously starting off as rain as expected, but things will be changing on Tuesday. Let's take a look at the watches and advisories and warnings. In pink, it is a winter storm warning for Tuesday night. And quite simply, this is where the most snow will fall, right in this area. To the south of that, in purple, it is what we call a winter weather advisory. You will get some accumulations here, not as much as northwest suburbs. And we'll show you some of these hard numbers in just a second. So it does not include Newport County. Now, you'll have some wind and snow in Newport County. But as of now, it does not include that. It does not include Cape Cod or the islands. So timeline, well, this evening and tonight, we continue with just the rain. Heavy at times, inch and a half, 2 inches of rain. On Tuesday, rain is early in the morning. We'll flip to wet snow later in the morning in northwest Rhode Island, then overspreading the entire area by afternoon and evening. So by Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, it's all snow with accumulations, and strong wind gusts will continue. As far as impacts, we're getting the rain now through early morning, anywhere from inch to 2.5 inches of rain. The wind, not so much a factor now, but on Tuesday, northeast to north, gusting 30 to 50 miles per hour. Some scattered power outages possible. The snow, the highest amounts in northwest Rhode Island. It'll be a wet, sticky snow. It'll have some weight to it. And that is essentially Tuesday afternoon. Well, Tuesday morning for northwest Rhode Island, Tuesday afternoon and evening for the rest of the area. Winds definitely a factor here. In Rhode Island, gusting 30, perhaps 45 miles per hour. Gusts up to 50 in southeastern Mass right in here. And then much higher east coastal Mass, gusts to 55 to 65 miles per hour. That's Tuesday and Tuesday night. All right, satellite and radar composite. This green is all rain, but high elevations up in the Berkshires and northwest Connecticut already seeing some wet snow. So the players are, one, area of low pressure developing off the mid-Atlantic coast, and two is a weather disturbance within the jet stream across the Midwest. And both of these are sort of work in tandem and quite simply what will happen is this offshore low, this storm, where's my pointer? This will track north and then actually curl back towards the coastline and intensify. That'll increase the wind as well as the precipitation. So when we take this into the future, here we are. This is Tuesday morning, around 10 a.m. Still raining, but starting to see some wet snow in the northwest suburbs. Storms intensifying, curling back towards the coastline. All this blue in here by afternoon and evening is snow, so accumulating snow. This is Tuesday evening. Tuesday night at 11 o'clock midnight, still snowing. Then storm is actually pulling away by Wednesday morning. Maybe a leftover snow shower early Wednesday morning and then drying out. All right, how about snowfall amounts? And again, do check back with us. I mean, things can still change a little bit, but this is what we're anticipating. And keep in mind that these numbers really won't be realized until actually Tuesday evening, Tuesday night. So here's a wider view, but let me give you a more detailed look here, and we'll kind of take this in pieces here. North and west of Route 295, and these high elevations right up in here, especially north of Route 6 and within the northwest part of Route 44, 4 to 7. That's Pasco, Burrville, Foster, North Situate, Uxbridge, Bellingham, Killingly, Danielson, Connecticut, right up in here. This zone right in here, which is Providence, Metro, Kent, Warwick, Cranston, Western Kent, Taunton, Attleboro's 2 to 4. So what we're trying to convey here is on the low end it could be 2, and on the high end it could be as much as 4 right in here. Then south and east of Warwick in this pink zone generally 1 to 2. And again, this will be realized Tuesday evening, Tuesday night. So for Tuesday morning, rain, especially early, though we start to see some mixing of wet snow in northwest Rhode Island by mid to late morning. But it's generally rain for most areas Tuesday morning. And then during the afternoon hours, it is switching over to a wet snow as temperatures cool down, the wind picks up. It's a wind-blown snow, perhaps heavy at times on Tuesday evening, Tuesday night as temperatures fall. And this is when we'll get the bulk of the accumulations, especially in the northern part of the state. And then everything winds down early on Wednesday morning. So that is the latest. Check back with our newscast tonight at 10 and 11. You definitely want to check in with Michelle early in the morning to see as this whole thing evolves overnight while we're sleeping, if there's any changes as far as, does the rain change over to snow quicker? Do the amounts of snow have to go up or down? As you'll have some of the final numbers on that. But this is what we're going with as of now. So do be mindful of some rapidly changing weather on Tuesday. And again, very location dependent weather. Not all locations will get the same kind of impacts from this storm.